If you've ever pulled a carrot from the garden and wonder where the rest of it went, you're certainly not alone. Many gardeners spend weeks carefully watering, weeding, and tending their carrot patch, only to end up with roots that are thin, weak, and far smaller than expected. Sometimes the carrot tops look perfectly healthy. The foliage is green, upright, and growing well. Everything above ground suggests success. Then harvest day arrives, and the roots tell a completely different story. What makes this problem especially frustrating is that it often develops long before gardeners notice anything is wrong. By the time those small carrots are pulled from the soil, the real cause has usually been affecting the plants since the day the seeds were planted. Many people assume they need more fertilizer, more water, or a different carrot variety. Some even give up on growing carrots altogether because they believe root crops are simply difficult to grow. The truth is that carrots are not particularly demanding plants, but they do have one requirement that cannot be ignored. If that requirement isn't met, even the healthiest looking tops may never produce the large, well-formed roots gardeners hope to harvest. Stay with me, because the real reason your carrots are staying thin may be hiding beneath the surface, and the solution is much simpler than most gardeners realize. And if you are not subscribed to Smart Gardening yet, do that now, and give this video a like so more gardeners can find it. Carrots are unique because the part we eat develops entirely underground. Unlike tomatoes, peppers, or beans, where the harvest is visible throughout the season, carrot growth remains hidden from view. That means problems can continue unnoticed for weeks or even months. Many gardeners judge their carrot crop by the appearance of the foliage. If the tops are green and healthy, they assume everything is progressing normally. Unfortunately, healthy foliage does not always mean healthy roots. A carrot can produce a surprising amount of leafy growth, while the root remains small and underdeveloped. This disconnect is one reason gardeners are often shocked when harvest time arrives. The tops look promising, but the roots fail to deliver. Understanding this hidden growth habit is the first step toward producing larger carrots. Once you realize that most of the important action is happening below ground, it becomes much easier to identify what may be limiting root development. From the moment a carrot seed germinates, the young root begins growing downward through the soil. As the plant matures, that root expands and stores sugars, nutrients, and water. This storage process is what creates the thick, flavorful carrot gardeners want to harvest. For this process to happen efficiently, the root must move through the soil with minimal resistance. It needs access to moisture, oxygen, and enough physical space to expand. When roots encounter obstacles, development changes. Growth may slow, roots may remain thin, or they may become twisted and misshapen. Sometimes gardeners pull carrots that look like pencils. Other times they discover short, stubby roots that never reach their full potential. These aren't random outcomes. They are signals that the root encountered unfavorable conditions during its development. One of the biggest causes of weak carrot growth is compacted soil. This occurs when soil particles become pressed tightly together, reducing the spaces that normally hold air and water. When soil becomes dense, carrot roots must work much harder to move through it. Instead of expanding naturally, they encounter resistance at every stage of development. Heavy clay soils commonly create this problem. Foot traffic through garden beds can also contribute. Even preparing the soil when it is too wet can create compaction that remains throughout the growing season. Rocks, sticks, old roots, and buried debris make matters worse. Every obstacle forces a developing carrot root to change direction or slow its growth. The result is often a harvest filled with thin carrots, forked roots, and disappointing yields despite otherwise healthy-looking plants. One of the best ways to improve carrot growing conditions is by adding finished compost before planting. Many gardeners think of compost as a fertilizer, but its greatest value for carrots is improving soil structure. Compost helps separate tightly packed soil particles, creating a loose, crumbly environment that roots can move through more easily. This improved structure increases airflow, improves drainage, and helps soil hold moisture more consistently. It also encourages beneficial soil organisms that contribute to long-term soil health. Finished compost creates an environment where roots spend less energy pushing through hard soil and more energy growing larger and stronger. That's why experienced gardeners often focus on improving soil structure first, rather than reaching for additional fertilizer. Successful carrot growing starts before the seeds are planted. Choose a sunny location and remove rocks, sticks, and other debris from the planting area. Then loosen the soil deeply, ideally 8 to 12 inches if possible. After loosening the soil, mix finished compost throughout the bed. The goal is not to create pure compost, but to improve the structure of the existing soil. Once the compost is incorporated, rake the surface smooth and create a fine seed bed. Carrot seeds germinate best when planted in loose, well-prepared soil. After planting, keep the seed zone consistently moist while waiting for germination. Patience is important because carrots often take longer to sprout than many other vegetables. A strong start creates the foundation for stronger roots later in the season. As seedlings develop, proper spacing becomes essential. Overcrowded carrots compete for moisture, nutrients, and growing space. Thinning may feel difficult, but allows the remaining plants to reach their full potential. Watering should remain consistent throughout the season. Carrots prefer evenly moist soil rather than repeated cycles of extreme dryness and heavy watering. Avoid excessive nitrogen fertilizer. Too much nitrogen encourages lush foliage while limiting root enlargement. Weeds should also be controlled early. Young carrots are poor competitors and can quickly lose access to important resources when weeds become established. These simple maintenance practices support steady root growth and help maximize the benefits of improved soil structure. When carrots are grown in loose, compost-amended soil, gardeners often notice straighter roots, better size, and more uniform harvests. Results won't happen overnight. Carrots require time to develop, and weather conditions will always influence final outcomes. However, improving soil structure dramatically increases the likelihood of success. Many gardeners discover that the biggest difference in their harvest has nothing to do with expensive products or complicated techniques. It comes from creating better conditions beneath the surface. The next time your carrots seem thin and weak, don't immediately blame the seeds or fertilizer. Take a closer look at the soil, because the secret to growing massive carrots often starts long before harvest day. It starts with giving roots the loose, healthy soil they need from the very beginning. When you do that, your carrots can finally grow their full potential and reward you with a harvest you've been hoping for all season long.